Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice how it is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his way about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high, and the water is splashing a lot, very much all around.
Download the Cleo and Cuquin app and enjoy the best children's songs.
Whoa! Huh? Huh? Ghost? Huh? 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 Whoa! Huh? Huh? Purple circle. Huh? Not triangle, circle. Ha! Ooh. Huh? Whoa! Whoa! Giant purple rabbit. Bye, purple rabbit. More. Yellow triangle. Not a triangle. Oh. Triangle, yeah! Wow! Yay! Giant yellow rabbit! Wow! Bye, yellow rabbit! More! Pink square! No! Hey! Oh! Giant pink rabbit! Oh! Bye, pink rabbit! More! Green pentagon! Whoa! Giant green rabbit! Bye, green rabbit! Purple rabbit! Yellow rabbit! Pink rabbit! Green rabbit!